why are you saying कि मतलब they will get an average cover, they will not get a comprehensive coverage? मतलब
See, the reason is that the comprehensive cover is a slightly a cover that is basically has more kind of benefits, right? And it's a cover which has lesser restrictions, right?
okay.
And that's why, because of which basically they would be, an insurance company is more interested to give it to someone who does not have a disease or does not have a lifestyle issue, right? But if someone has a disease and that person is basically, in the eyes of the insurer, having is a riskier kind of a profile, then they will have basically say कि आप ये cover नहीं मिल सकता आपको, आपको दूसरा cover मैं देता हूँ, ये लीजिए आप. Like I give you an example that suppose someone who's 35-year-old and he has diabetes and hypertension,
ठीक है.
then the same insurance company, right, will probably not give the policy which is a policy where there is no room rent limit, no financial limits in the policy, everything is covered. उसकी जगह पे they may give a policy which has the room rent limit, which has basically some kind of financial limits, which basically probably has surgery limits also, कि आपको मैं कार्डियक के लिए इतना ही पैसा दूंगा, इसके लिए मैं आपको इतना ही पैसा दूंगा.